Here's the box and the ribbon, paper bag, and here's the receipt. Okay, let's open the box. Okay, here it is. It's a zippy coin purse in monogram print with gold hardware. So let's look at the details. You can see that Vivienne is traveling in a hot air balloon over the city of Shanghai. I love the contrast of the color pink and the purple. It's so girly, and pink is my favorite color. So when you turn it around, this is how the back looks like. Just a plain monogram print. There. Okay, let's open it. When you open it, you can see the beautiful pink interior. There's two large compartments, two inside flat pockets here and over here, and 4 card slots over here. So you can put your cash and cards inside. I think this is a very practical wallet. It's so cute and stylish design. It's a perfect gift for monogram lovers. So 3 more items are coming. Make sure to stay tuned for part 2. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!